Let's see this question. We're given a squared plus a raised by -2 equals to 1. And we know a raised by -2 is 1 over a squared, right? So if we multiply by a squared on both, so we will get 1. So we'll do this. Okay, so we multiply everyone by a squared. Then a squared times a squared, that's a to the 4th power. Then a to raised by -2 times a squared, that's 1. Because -2 plus 2 is 0, right? A raised by 0 is 1. Then equals to a squared. Then we move a squared to this side, so we have a to the 4th power minus a squared plus 1 equals 0. But now we can do by completing squares. So let's do this. A to the 4th power minus a squared plus quarter. Then we split 1 into quarter and 3/4. So by this, we can make this one a square minus half square plus 3/4. So what's the problem? The problem is that this expression will be always non-zero, non-negative. So the least value is 0. So then this one is a 3/4. So 3/4 plus 0, so this will never be 0. Okay, so I think that's a typo, maybe. If this is a 2, let's change this one to be 2. If we change that one to be 2, because if this way, if it equals 1, there's no, A has no solution. Right? A is not solvable, so we won't be able to answer A raised by 888. I think the question was sent by typo. So if this is a 2, let's try that. We would get A raised by 4 plus 1 equals to 2A squared. So move 2A squared to the left-hand side. Then we can make a perfect square. So this we get A squared minus 1 squared equals 0. If a square equals 0, that means the base has to be 0. That means A squared equals to 1. That means A square root both sides. A can be plus or minus 1. Now this is solvable, right? So then we get this plus minus 1 raised by even number. Well, -1 even by raised by even number is still 1. So the answer is 1 for this. Doesn't matter A is -1 or +1. Because the power of 888 is an even number. Okay, so I think the question has a typo. Okay, this should be 2 or other numbers.